Drive shaft locked up on it. I heard a pop and the back end went up. I barely got it off. I had to fight it. I probably broke the clutch up doing it, but I got it moved.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? First thing out the gates this morning, we get this priority call out right off the highway. This 99 Toyota Tacoma locked up, decided it was done moving for the day. What's going on with it?
Drive shaft locked up on it. Coming over here to brake, and all of a sudden, I heard a pop and the back end went up. But I barely got it off. I had to fight it. I probably broke the clutch up doing it, but I got it moved.
Will it move in neutral at all?
I don't know. I've got it in neutral right now. And it has the neutral on the transfer case. You can try it.
Is your drive shaft actually hanging?
Huh?
Is your drive shaft hanging?
No, that's not so weird.
Yeah, no, it's still in place.
Good measurement.
What's that?
Good measurement.
Yeah.
Right lined up. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, that's it right there.
I tightened it up.
Maybe that's what was stopping you.
No, that's what.
Yeah, because if you look at the inside of your rim right there,
Yeah.
it's grinding.
Where?
See down there at the bottom of the rim, right?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
your problem right there. Yep, that's why it wouldn't move.
That's it.
But hey, that's a good thing though,
Yeah.
because it's not drivetrain, it's just brakes. Damn it.
Really? He tipped me $50?